The locator is your screw gun's nose piece. It is adjustable, so you can set the countersink depth of the drywall screws. Most problems with the locator are the result of accidental damage, usually dropping the gun. Replacing the locator is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nose piece. Now I'll remove the bit holder. I'll place it in the vise, gently tighten the vise, and then I can pull the drill away from the bit holder. Now I'll separate the locator from the collar. Now I can install the new locator. I'll place the locator through the collar and thread the two together. Now I can reinstall the bit holder. And now I'll reinstall the nose piece. I align the tabs inside the locator with the grooves on the clutch housing. And once aligned, I just press the collar onto the detents. And that's all it takes to install a new locator on your screwdriver. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.